Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your Nexo account. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to verify your Nexo account using the Nexo mobile app. The first thing to do is to log into your Nexo account. And how do you do that? Open the Nexo mobile app and log in using your email address and password if prompted. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the home screen. And from the menu, go ahead and select your settings. Okay, now you have settings in the settings category, so you necessarily do not need to click on app settings. You have settings here displayed for you. Now at the top corner of your screen, you can just go ahead and click on Verify Identity button. But if you just don't want to do that, under the settings category, go ahead and click on identity verification option. And that's going to take you over here. Now, you'll see different verification levels, which is here. So you have your email verification, you have your personal verification, and you have your identity verification. Go ahead and click on Start Verification. So here you'll be prompted to enter your full name, that's your legal name, and your last name. And after entering your full name and your last name, so let's say we're doing Nakimanda, or first name. And then hit the continue button. It takes you next. So we have to enter your residence, that's your residential address. And after doing that, enter your city and your postal code. So make sure the information matches your identification document. These are not legal, so these are not registered. After doing all of this and filling this out, you'll be asked to upload a clear image of a valid photo ID you can use, either a passport, driver's license, national ID card. So ensure the document is fully visible and not blurred. In some cases, Nexo requests a selfie or a live photo to match your appearance with the uploaded ID. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to complete these steps. They're self-explanatory. After uploading the ID and completing the selfie, tap Submit to send your documents for review. And Nexo will review your submissions, which typically takes anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, and you receive an email notification once your verification is completed. Now, you can always check the status of your verification by visiting the Identity Verification section in the app settings. Once verified, your account will have full access to Nexo's features, including higher limits for withdrawals, deposits, and other services. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.